Namaste, I am Chef K. Thiru representing Team India as an expert cooking skills competition WorldSkills Special Edition 2022. WorldSkills cooking competition primarily designed to empower and inspire youths of India who specializing in culinary arts. I am happy and proud that Ms. Tanmay Nallamuthu from Welcomgroup Graduate School of Hotel Administration representing Team India for cooking competition, which is scheduled from 18th October to 28th October in Lucerne, Switzerland. She had undergone rigorous training in the past 9 months and to fulfill all the requirements to represent India. I am sure that she will do well with all the hard work and effort which has been put over 9 months period of time, and I seek your blessings and best wishes for us to do well in WorldSkills Cooking Competition Special Edition 2022. I would like to thank NSDC and Tourism Hospitality Skill Council of India giving me an opportunity to be an expert for cooking skills WorldSkills 2022 Special Edition. Jai Hind.